Welcome back to my channel. It is Julia. If you guys are new here, what's up? My name is Julia, and if you guys are not new here, welcome back, my beautiful raindrops. In today's video, I am going to be doing a tutorial on this look. So basically, as well, using this new palette that just came out today, like literally 30 minutes ago, ran to Ulta, like literally booked skirt to Ulta and picked up one of the palettes from the Vault collection. It's like this, and this is what I used to get my look today. As you guys can see, I literally didn't even know what type of look I was going for. I kind of just sat down and wanted to play with the shadows, and I did want to play with some of the harder shadows that it is. It's harder to create a smoky eye, and it's harder to create this type of look, especially with like greens and browns. They're always the hardest shades to blend, and I really wanted to like play with them and see like how well they blended. And I'm not gonna ruin it for you guys, but look at this. This is beautiful. Without further ado, let's just jump into this tutorial.
Let your body be downtown, we let it go. Sunset high and our bodies low. Blood rush in the haze.
Hey guys, so I am not sure the look that I'm gonna do yet. I'm just kind of like taking it by steps. I'm just gonna fling my hair back and look like a little boy for a little bit, but it's fine. I'm gonna start by priming with the Hard Candy Sheer Envy Coconut Water Primer. You guys know, or if you don't know, this is an amazing primer. It's seriously like the easiest, just like slap it on and go primer, but it's so hydrating, and I feel like it just makes my makeup sit so much nicer on my face. And of course, my skin is gonna get nice and red because that's what happens when I touch my face. And I'm also gonna go in with the Milk Makeup Blur Stick, and I'm just going to put this on my pore area just to kind of smooth out any imperfections and on any like pimples. Not too much, just a little bit in that like T-zone area, just because I really want my pores to be, you know, super nice. Okay, so today for makeup, I'm going to use this Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector in the shade Pearl. And then I think for foundation, I'm gonna go in with the Urban Decay Naked Skin Foundation. And I'm just going to use this together. This is a little bit lighter than my skin when I put it on, but I'll make it work, or I'll cream contour or something to make it look more like it matches my skin. A few pumps of the Naked Skin Foundation. And I'm going to use this, which is the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define. So I've only used this once before, which was in my last tutorial that you guys saw, and I was obsessed with it. Like seriously, it is an amazing concealer. To be honest with you guys, I think I actually like this better than Shape Tape, which I know is saying a lot. So believe me when I say that this is an amazing concealer. Next for bronzer, I'm going to use the Pure Glow Together Gradient Matte Shimmer Bronzer, and we're just going to use that. And then I'm going to use the Morphe M527 to bronze. Pretty and Peony. This is my favorite blush right now, and I feel like it's just like the prettiest blush to just like really brighten my face. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop some blush on. Badescu Rose Water Spray. I'm just going to spray this all over my face, and it's just going to act as like a base for my highlights, and it's just going to melt all the makeup into one. I'm going to take the Morphe M310 on a fan brush, and I'm also going to take the Morphe Babe in Paradise palettes, and I'm going to use the shade Vacation and Get Laid from this palette. Alright guys, so my highlight is on now. So I'm going to do my brows, and I'm going to come right back and we're going to jump to the eyes. My brows are now done and we're looking like a hot mess. But I am going to be using this, which just came out today, just launched today. And the packaging is kind of hard to show. But I went to my Ulta literally like a half an hour ago, not even. Came home and was like, I need to film. I need to show you guys this palette. I need to bring it onto YouTube. So I only got this one because I have palettes that look similar to the other ones. So I'm sorry, but I'm still going to be reviewing the formula and telling you guys what shades I'm using and all that great stuff. So Warmed and Pretty, I believe it's called. So these are the shades. My ring light is kind of making it look weird, but they're beautiful like fall shades, and I'm obsessed. A few brushes, I'll have them linked down below which ones I'm using. But I think I'm going to go in, I don't know if I'm going to use, oh, this is tough. I'm going to go in with the shade Access, and I'm going to use it as a transition. And I'm going to use Agent as well and put that right into the crease. Okay, so I think the next color I'm going to go in with is called Top Secret, and I don't know how this is going to go. I'm just kind of like doing it as I go, literally not even thinking about it. So if it turns out bad, I'm sorry, but we're just going to go for it, and we're just going to like do what we feel, okay? Now I'm going to take the shade Smooth Criminal. And I'm going to go back in with this brush, and I'm going to take a little bit more of that green, tap it off, and I'm going to begin to blend. Access, Secure, and Agent, and I'm going to put that on my lower lash. Use the shade VIP from the palette and put it in my inner corner. Wow, that's pretty. And I think that inner corner is a little too bright for me, so I'm going to go in with this NYX Glitter Goals, like liquid glitter, and I think I'm going to put some in my inner corner just because it's a bit like white for me. Guys, so there are my lashes on, and we're gonna move right on to lips. I'm going to line my lips with a Maybelline lip liner, and then I'm going to apply the lip gloss, the Anastasia lip gloss in Undress. This is my favorite lip color ever, hands down, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that. guys, so this is the final look. It looks so beautiful. Seriously obsessed. I really wasn't like planning a look. I kind of just like sat down, saw the colors, and was like, okay, you're going on my face. So I just want to say that this palette is seriously amazing. I'm seriously shook at the pigmentation and everything, and Jaclyn Hill seriously killed it with this palette. And again, I'm sure the other palettes are just as good. If you guys are hesitant and you're like, I don't know if I should get these palettes, I would definitely highly recommend you picking them up. They're so pigmented and the price is just insane. You get all these shades, the high quality pigment, for literally $15. There are no palettes out there that are that cheap, and the quality is just insane. I'm seriously obsessed, and I'm gonna wear these colors so much. So I just want to thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys like this video, do not forget to give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below what you guys want to see next, and if you guys are excited about these palettes because they're amazing, let me know down below which one you guys want, and if you guys want to see a tutorial or review with any of the other ones, because I do not mind. I'll go out and grab them from my Ulta if you guys do want to see them. So guys, do not forget about the giveaway going on at 500 subscribers. I will be giving away amazing prizes to either one or two of you. I haven't decided yet, but I'm doing a giveaway at 500 subscribers, so definitely subscribe, become part of the Rain fam, turn your post notifications on, and follow me on all my socials. They're always linked down below, as well as the makeup that I put on my face.
I've been moving calm, no start, no trouble with me. Tryna keep it peaceful is a struggle for me. Don't pull up at 6 a.m. to cuddle me. You know how I like it when you loving